was William Shakespeare. Hi guys, today we learn about William Shakespeare. He was a famous poet, playwright, and actor. He was born in Stratford-upon-Avon, probably on the 23rd of April 1564. During the early period of his life, he studied at the grammar school in Stratford. Then he married Anne Hathaway in 1582, and they had three children, two girls and one boy. He went to London, where he was first an actor, a very successful actor. He also was a writer, a poet, and he wrote some love sonnets. Some of them were really important, like Sonnet 18, Shall I compare thee to a summer day, which is really very popular. And he wrote so many plays, and these plays were very popular and successful. His company was called the Lord Chamberlain's Men, and later they became the King's Men. With this company, he built a theatre, the Globe Theatre. The theatre was built in 1599, and these plays were performed there. But how many plays did he write? 10 tragedies, 18 comedies, 10 historical plays, in total 38 dramas. And some of his most famous plays were Romeo and Juliet, or Hamlet, The Midsummer Night's Dream, and many more, like, for example, Macbeth or Othello, and his last play, The Tempest. Shakespeare retired in Stratford-upon-Avon, where he died in 1616. But why is he still so popular and famous? Because his plays are still performed today all over the world, and they have inspired many books, but also movies and even music. So Shakespeare is widely considered the greatest dramatist of all times. And if you want to learn something more about Shakespeare, click on the picture to watch the complete video. Enjoy!